All right, hello YouTube. So went to go get the server back up and running, and it wouldn't power on. And we're checking the power supply, or rather the uninterruptible power supply. So I've got the batteries here out of the TrippLite 1500. Try again. So I have the batteries here out of the my TrippLite 1500 Smart LCD, and we're gonna go ahead and check the batteries and see if they are dead. I suspect that's my problem. Better to know. Looks like my battery's going bad in this too. Good lord. I can't win, can I? Alright. Let's set you here. Let's change the battery out in this. Oh, actually, can I capture both sides? I can. Alright. Battery 1, 2.7 volts. I guess I'll put my hands on the way. Battery 1, 2.7 volts. Not great. Battery number 2, 2.6 volts as well. So these sealed lead acid batteries may have completely died on me. Looks like I'll need to get replacements. I think at 2 volts I'm not going to try to bring these back from the dead. Odds are good they're going to be highly sulfonated. NPX, looks like NPX 35s. What I'm curious is, can I get a LiFePO replacement for this? NPX 35 LiFePO. Alright, I found the Smart Pro LCD owner's manual. I'm curious about converting this over to lithium iron phosphate, so I need to see what the float level is on this. Something I found interesting here. Do not open your UPS for any reason. There are no user serviceable parts inside. Okay. Good morning, YouTube. We are in my closet where my server lives. My battery UPS, I've got the, this is the TrippLite 1500's Smart 1500 LCD. It is the second version, though, that does not have the nice little battery door. My batteries died in there. I didn't realize I was supposed to leave it actually on in order for it to maintain the batteries. It's okay. I've had them for a couple of years. Wanted to see about upgrading to lithium iron phosphate. As you can see, I picked up a set of lithium iron phosphate, these 12.8 8 amp hour off of Amazon. I'll leave a description down below on where I got them. So I've got these hooked up. You can see it's powered up. But the real question now is I need to know what the voltage characteristics and all are going into this. So these particular guys, let's see here, I've got they give me a little user manual with this. And on these are the 12 LFP 12 volt 8 amp. Charge voltage should be plus or minus 2 volts on 14.6 volts with a 1.6 amp charge current. I know that these SLA batteries tend to get charged very slowly, or I should say that the SLA profile in these tends to charge very slowly, so I'm not concerned about the amperage, but I do want to know what the voltage is, so let's find out. Set this to DC. Let's get in here and measure what our voltage to these batteries is. Especially considering these are wired in series, that amperage that I was talking about a moment ago, it's going to be split between them.
Okay. Oh wait, are you talking to the viewers?
I am.
Oh.
13.44 volts. Yeah, so we're charging slower than these batteries would expect and at a lower voltage, which is safe. It just means I might not get the full amperage out of these guys, or I might not get the full capacity, rather, out of these guys. Okay. I'm happy about that. Now I want to check these again once this thing thinks they're fully charged after a number of hours. But I think what I want to do to start with is let's see if we can go ahead and run a quick load test on this and see what it says. Pass. Sweet. Okay. All right. I'm going to leave this hooked up for some time, and we will see what happens. All right. It's been 30 minutes. Let's go and run another battery test on it real quick. Still pass, good. Wish this would tell me the battery voltage, but that's alright. Let's see what kind of charge voltage we got going. Oh, I didn't realize that that came off separately. Well, that really makes my life easier now, doesn't it? So this whole front piece can sit there. Alright. Fumble. Come on now. .36 volts. That does not seem like I'm going to run into any kind of an issue here. Let's see if I can get these batteries a little better set up in here, though. Seems like these will fit. There we go, just like that. Yeah, these are a perfect fit. They fit right down inside. I don't know if you'll be able to see this in there. I guess might. Yeah, so these are a perfect fit right inside the little tray holder. All right. I think I'll go ahead and put it back together. Should probably plan on replacing this fan at some point. If that fan ever dies on me. Put a nice Noctua in there. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mount this all back up, and I'll just let it keep charging. I'm gonna give it a good 4 or 5 hours. Looks like the voltage is slowly dropping down, so I think these should be in a pretty good position to hopefully, yeah, replace those SLAs. Lighter is a higher capacity, I'm not sure, but more specifically, I expect those to last me for years, and that's the biggest reason I went ahead and got those. They were like 40 bucks each on Amazon. Again, link down in the doobly-doo. So hopefully this helps you guys out. If anybody else is out there with one of these TrippLite 1500 smart LCDs, pair of those batteries seem like they'll work. I'll certainly do a long-term review on this as well. So there you go. Model is the SP1208. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this helped. If it did, go ahead and give me a like. If it didn't, well, tell me down below what you'd like to know. Thanks for watching.